Other thing you probably are not familiar with is the term PPRCT. Still polypropylene random copolymer. C is for crystalline, T is for temperature and pressure enhanced. In short, it handles higher temperatures and pressures. SDR, instead of using Schedule 40, Schedule 80, so on, it's typical piping that's just SDR. And then obviously the different types of different. All right, phaser. Phaser pipe is a, this one's easiest. Phaser is composite. So what we've got here is this middle layer is 20% glass fiber and 80% polypropylene. It is extruded with three separate, it's extruded in one machine, but there's three separate extrusions, one for the inner, one for the middle, and one for the outer.
How's it bound inside? Is it glue or something?
No,
No, it's fused.
it's just,
Because 80% is polypropylene.
Okay, so
So
it's
then fused.
temperature fused?
yes.
Yes. 3.
Does that also act as an insulator, or is it just for the structure?
It's just for the structure. The whole,
Extension.
the very good thing about the phaser pipe is that, unlike what you were talking about earlier, the downside to plastic pipes, plastic in general, is plastic expands about 10 times that of metal pipe. With the phaser, the expansion, the contraction rate about equals copper. So from an engineering standpoint, you don't have to worry about dealing so much with multiple expansion loops. So the design is very similar to that of metal pipe,
So this stuff expands the same rate as copper or
about the same as copper. Yeah, it's much easier to deal with 1 inch of expansion than 10 inches. The pressure pipe is, there's different SDRs, I just put in a couple of them. We've got 3 piping products. Evergreen, which is the domestic water piping. As you can see, up to 6-inch nominal. Now I will say that polypropylene, like PEX piping, like a lot of the piping systems, they are truly metric sizes. But it's, we're calling it a nominal size.
Is there some sort of tracer in there, say that your leak is buried? Find out where that pipe is?
Oh, is it embedded? No,
Yeah.
you have to do just like you do any other, is run the wire.
And that's 6 inches. Now, is that all direct buried? Or probably not.
You can do either, but truthfully, it's really designed more for above ground, because mostly the direct bury, well, unless you're using condensate, unless you're doing direct bury for condensate, frankly, high density polyethylene is cheaper. So, in most cases, this is more for above ground.